How to make a blockade teleport a Woozen to a specific location. When you wire a blockade directly from a lever, it sends you back to spawn. A blockade needs a coordinate plus an active signal to teleport. This can be achieved by adding a vector encoder and an advanced encoder. The vector encoder will be used to set the coordinate of where you want to land, while the advanced encoder will be used to pass the active signal. Instead of connecting the lever directly to the blockade, we're going to pass it through the advanced encoder first, so it can register the coordinate. If you want to change the teleport location, simply set the vector encoder to the new location. Does it work with multiple blockades to the same location? Yes. Connect the blockades together using the original blockade powered by the encoder. I want my blockade to be timed. Is that possible? Yes. You can add a ticker to automate the process. First, set the ticker to how fast you want the blockades to be. The lower the number, the faster it moves. Then just connect it to the toggle option in the lever. How can I make it so when someone enters the unit the ticker starts on its own? Place a random number generator with a 1-second delay and connect it to activate a glowing switch cube. Then that cube starts the ticker. I want to randomize which blockade goes up while still maintaining the teleport feature. Is this possible? Yes. There is multiple methods to randomize which blockade goes up. Number 1. The dice method. First, place a colored dice and color 6 blockades from red to violet. To maintain the teleportation, instead of directly connecting the dice to the blockades, we'll be connecting the dice to the advanced encoder. Again, set the vector encoder where you want the player to land after being hit by the blockades. Connect the data output from the vector encoder to the advanced encoder's data input, so 2 coordinates appear. Start connecting each color from the dice to its own input from the advanced encoder. For example, red from the dice will go to input A, while orange will go to input B. This next part is important. So because we connected red to input A, that means the red blockade can only be powered by output A from the encoder. Same goes to the rest of the colors. Since we connected orange to input B, the orange blockade only be powered by output B, etc. Add a ticker to bring it all together. The second method is to use a scoreboard and a random number generator. Since we're no longer limited to 6 colored dice, let's add 2 more blockades. Set the minimum in the randomizer to 1, and set the max to how many blockades you want to randomize. In this video I am doing 8 blockades, so our max will be 8. Now connect the data output from the randomizer to the score input in the scoreboard, so they're in sync. Each scoreboard has 16 editable outputs. We're going to edit the first 8, setting them to equal to, starting from 1 to 8. Now connect those outputs to the advanced encoder's inputs. We've already connected the first 6 outputs from the advanced encoder to the blockades. Now let's connect the extra 2 we added. The ticker goes to the randomized input in the randomized number generator. How do I use the fire trap blockade to teleport? 1. Set the vector encoder where you want the fire to go. 2. Set the data output from the vector encoder to the data input in the advanced encoder. A coordinate should now appear on both encoders. 3. Connect the switch tile to input A in the advanced encoder. 4. Connect the output A from the advanced encoder to the fire.